Ooh. Y'all, I love me some springy scents. Even though my seasonal allergies does not, I still love them anyways. I still challenge it. I don't care. I want to smell good and sneeze at the same time. I don't care. Hey guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new perfume, y'all. So the new perfume, it is from Burberry. This is the Her Eau de Toilette perfume. But before I jump all the way into it, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. And on top of that, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So y'all already know, let's get into this fragrance. All right, y'all. So with this packaging, this Burberry, y'all, I did pick it up. It was, I believe, 64 or 65 bucks out of my local Ulta. And this is part of course, the Burberry Her line. This is the Eau de Toilette. I did pick up the 1 ounce, the 30 ml. And the outside packaging is really cool. It has white background, black letters, Burberry Her Eau de Toilette. And then it has Burberry wrapped around in like ribbons, and it's light green wrapped around it. It's really cute. And then they have Burberry at the top, of course. And then you open her right on up. Inside it has that light minty. So the same wraparound ribbon that's like that light green is on the inside of the packaging as well. It is the clear Burberry Her design logo right here at the bottom. It has Burberry. Recently, all the Her Burberrys all have this same type of layout, same type of glass and topper, white little topper, gold little ring. And then inside though, this liquid is a light wash of green. It's like a light minty green color. You take the white top off and of course you got the gold sprayer and ooh. I always like the Her collections. I like the bottle. I like a simple glass, little white topper with a little gold ring around it. Very minimalistic and sleek look at the same time. So also guys, you already know, let us spray over the head, front, and walk through. Smells so good. One more time. Smells so good in here. Ooh, y'all. We got the scent. We got it in our nose. You guys already know I brought up my Fragrantica. You know, it's my tried and true when it comes to fragrances. So let's see what they say about Miss Her. It is described as a floral fruity fragrance. And the top note is pear, black currant, strawberry, and pink pepper. And then the middle notes, it is peony, rose, lily of the valley, and honeysuckle. New favorite. And then the base note is musk and cedar. So this perfume, floral fruity, very much that. Let's see. When you first spray this, y'all, pear, and pears. You know what I'm saying? You just smell nothing but pears. It's fantastic. Then it says black currant and strawberry. Now I didn't know strawberry was in this. I don't get strawberries. I do get a little bit of pink pepper and the black currant underneath it. Like the zesty part of it, I do get that. Rose, peony, lily of the valley, and honeysuckle. The only thing I smell is honeysuckle. I don't smell rose. I don't smell peony. Maybe a little bit of lily, but honeysuckle definitely. So pear, black currant, pink pepper, and then honeysuckle so far. And then the base note is musk and cedar. Musk is in there. Cedar maybe. I don't get cedar yet, but I see the musk is kind of drifted in there. But that pear and honeysuckle and the more zesty scents are staying. They're like, I'm staying. Oh, it is so good. Y'all, this is a very bright, fresh scent. It's the light minty color one too. Anything in a light green minty color packaging, I'm just gonna try it for now. Apparently it's my vibes, especially for spring and summer, because y'all, I love me some springy scents. Even though my seasonal allergies does not, I still love them anyways. I still challenge it. I don't care. I want to smell good and sneeze at the same time. I don't care. I think this for summertime is really great, especially if you do like the fruity aspect of it. I think the floral scent of it is a very beautiful scent for spring. Even the fruity too, I put in spring as well. The pear in this is fantastic. If you guys don't know this channel, I love rhubarb, pear, honeysuckle now apparently too. A lot of the ones that don't use too much, especially pear and like rhubarb. That's why Marc Jacobs Perfect is still perfect. It's the best one. This pear in here is fantastic. If you guys do not have a pear scent and you want it or you're curious about a pear scent, please pick this up. Please, please, please. Because literally this pear is fantastic. It's very bright and ripe. Like literally when you cut open a pear fresh and just, it smells like that in the skin. Okay, the musk is settling down. Now the cedar is coming in. So the middle notes start getting in there. I see more floral cedar. So the first spritz is more zesty. It's more fruity and musky. And then the floral and the cedar comes at the middle to end. That is really good. So they actually did cover all the marks that it says as the notes are. But the main thing of this perfume period, y'all, is legitly the pear. Like, I fell in love. I sprayed this in Ulta and had my mask on and everything, y'all. And I said, I smell pear. Went back over there and said, what did I just spray on my wrist? What was that? It said pear, honeysuckle. I was like, oh, wow, pear. That got me along. I didn't even know. I didn't even need to know about honeysuckle. It definitely is more fruity and floral. So I feel like even younger girls can get away with this. You can get your first little Burberry perfume. Go get your mom and them, get it for you. I feel like the zestiness of it is still in that fruity, because they're like the black currant still in the kind of that fruity form. So you still don't get like straight up like amber, you know, something that is more mature. This one is a very beautiful one. Again, the packaging does tell you off the bat how the scent can go, and it's a very clean scent. Like, look how clear that bottle is. My fingers right through it, and I'm hooked, y'all. This is my spring scent for 2022, hands down. I don't see nothing better. Sorry, not sorry. This is the epitome of spring, summer 2020. I feel like, is this affordable for how much I paid for and the whole pear vibe of it all? Yes, I would love to go get the big size. Also too, longevity. With this fragrance, y'all, since this is Eau de Toilette, of course, it's not gonna be as strong and last as long. I was at Ulta around 3, and when I came home, took a nice little shower, and after the shower, it still was on me till maybe 11. So like I said, that's a cute little longevity. That was a good like 8-hour shift that it stays on. It'll stay on you that whole 8-hour shift, which ain't too bad, you know what I'm saying? That's right for me. I feel like this is a good scent that legitly just lingers on your clothes for a very long time. I noticed that. I said, for Eau de Toilette, this stays on the clothes like crazy. And I wish they'd make a perfume out of this, because then that really is worth the bucks, you know what I mean? I'm so happy I found this scent because I love me some pear. So finally I got a rhubarb and a pear scent. I finally got it, and I'm gonna mix them and see if they're good. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. You guys already know what I want to know. What's your favorite fruity scent in a fragrance? And as well, guys, don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.